Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. Four cool features have been added to the funnel builder. I want to share them with you. So let's just dive right in. So right now I'm just kind of started a new email. This is the regular email builder. And the first thing I want to show you is that over here under saved elements, over time, obviously that's not a thing once if you have a fairly fresh Funneltopia account, but over time you have a bunch of saved elements that you want to use later, and it becomes cumbersome to kind of scroll through all of them, right? The 30-40 elements. So now there's been a search bar added where you can kind of search by certain keywords, right? So the naming convention, obviously you have to kind of come up with your own, just so you can actually remember what to search for, and then just put in the keywords here, and your things will pop up, right? Only the things you're searching for. So that is number one. Number two, let's just delete it. Let's just add it again. Under elements, you have the social icons. So actually a 2-in-1. So you can now add a TikTok element as well. Let's add it in. TikTok, here we go. And you can change the icon styles over here. There we go. So those are two cool things. Make sure to go check it out. Number three and number four, I think those you will like a lot. You can now add GIFs or GIFs or whatever you call them. I'll call them GIFs for simplicity's sake. So over here, one of the types you can add is just an image. Drag it in, click on it. And then over here, obviously, you can upload from media library. Over here, I've already uploaded one. Here we go. And that's going to actually show up in email. It's going to be a GIF, right? It's going to be an animated thing, and not just instead of a still image. So kind of, it gets people's attention. Maybe you've seen emails like that before. So that's one cool way to do it. And another one is if you close it and you go to video, if you drag it in, let's delete this one. So just so it's less distracting. So, you can do like link to videos and have video thumbnails. So if you click on it, video thumbnail, upload from media library, you can do the same thing, right? So this can be a GIF that you can create from the actual video, right? So you can, if you have a quick way to create one. So this kind of gives a preview to people what's in the video. So it entices them to click, right? You get better click-through rates. So this is a really cool feature that it's like a nice addition, just to kind of improve your numbers, get more eyeballs. I think this is really cool, and you should definitely go check it out. And all this stuff in the email builder, go check it out. If you have any questions, let's go back over here, 24/7 chat support in the Funneltopia backend. Click on here, ask us questions about the funnel builder, the email builder or funnel builder, whatever other builder, just anything Funneltopia related. If you have any questions, over here. If you're a VIP client, over here, schedule a VIP call. If you have more than one or two questions, it's just going to be quicker to get on a call. But if you don't have any questions, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.